Writing SEO meta tags manually is exhausting and time-consuming. What if AI could do it for you in seconds? Introducing SEO-meta.io, the AI-powered tool that generates optimized meta titles, descriptions, and keywords automatically. Getting started is simple. Click Start Free Trial. Enter your name, email, and password to create an account. No credit card is required to explore the dashboard, your command center for all SEO analysis. To begin, click New Analysis. Our sitemap analysis is a game changer. Just paste your website's sitemap URL and click Start. Our multi-agent AI system intelligently crafts optimized metadata tailored specifically to each page's unique content. The results are comprehensive. Each URL gets an SEO score, an optimized meta title, primary keywords, and a recommended word count. Click any row to reveal the AI-generated meta description and secondary keywords, all perfectly capturing your page's intent. Need to analyze specific pages instead? Switch to the Paste URLs tab. Paste individual links, one per line, and click Analyze. This is perfect for targeting landing pages or blog posts that need a quick boost. Ready to implement? Select any analysis and export it to a CSV file with one click. You will find everything organized. Titles with character counts, descriptions with length indicators, search volume data, and SEO scores ready for your CMS immediately. SEO Meta offers simple lifetime pricing. Pay once and own it forever. No monthly subscriptions. Choose from free, starter, growth, or pro plans as you scale. From sitemap analysis to URL type detection and one-click exports, SEO-meta.io does the heavy lifting for you. Stop wasting hours on manual work. Start your free trial today at SEO-meta.io. Your website's SEO will thank you.